Hey guys, so it's the next morning. Bought a couple of cases too, weren't the right size. I'm going to be returning these cases to Staples, get them shipped back. I got my new case this morning. So it is just about 10:40 and I didn't get breakfast this morning. I'm going to stop at McDonald's and I think they do lunch now, but grab something to eat. Hello, got an Amazon return, 2 separate orders. I think this one is this one. Thank you. Alright, so today's not too much. Stopped at Staples, returned the package. It was the cases. The cases were not the right size, and we returned them, so get the money back, going back to my card. So it is nice out, but I'm going right home anyways. Like I said, I got the new case from Walmart this morning, and this works perfectly. So, if anything, I need a screen protector now. Probably specifically a certain size screen protector. Specific to this brand. I mean, looks great. Look at that. So, the screen protector, which I need. My dad already got his case today with mine. I hope that's the right size. If that's not the right size, I'm gonna have to return that too. And yeah, all I'm waiting for is the screen protector. It'll be coming in on the 25th. So hopefully I can get that in, put the screen protector on. Should be the right size, and it'll be ready to go. So I actually watched Man of Steel last night on my new tablet, and it was phenomenal. It was phenomenal. 2013 film, Man of Steel. That was phenomenal. And that was an insane movie. So tonight I'm actually going to plan on watching Masters of the Universe. I finally got that on HD now, so I'm able to stream it on my tablet. So Masters of the Universe tonight, see how well it runs. So I was able to hold up a 2-hour 23-minute movie last night, so I should be able to hold up another 2-hour 20-minute movie for this one. So anyways, yeah, that'll be it for this video. Nothing too special. I think my last one was a bit more catchy. This one's more like you just gotta return. So yeah, so see you guys later.